What's up guys, how you all doing? Today I got 5 more hives and they're actually called nukes, bee nukes. You wanna know what a bee nuke means? Well, let's find out. These are bee nukes. You see there's bees inside of these boxes and there's frames that already has honey and brood, like eggs and stuff. So instead of getting 3-pound box of bees and a queen, this is much easier to start out beekeeping, bee nukes. So next what we're going to do is take the nukes, the bee nukes, you see it's in a box, take it to the field and install them into the beehive. So I'm teach you how to install a nuke into the beehive. I'm just going to take 3 at first. That's my first time installing a nuke into the hive, so don't judge me too hard. We're gonna learn together. I'm just gonna take off the top. Okay, let's open the nuke and see what it looks like. Oh yeah, look, ooh, we need to calm them down a little bit. We definitely need smoke. So if I give them a little bit smoke, they're going to calm down a little bit. So as you can see, I have 5 frames mason. I'm just going to stick it the same way they used to be. Look at that, that's beautiful. So I'm just going to place it the same way it's used to be. And give them some more smoke. And all I'm gonna do is just stick him this way. Wow, look at that. This is beautiful nukes. Look at this. There's brood, honey on top. Awesome. Love this. Honestly, if you wanna start beekeeping, make sure you get a nuke for your first time. This is the easiest way to start beekeeping. And the last box. Okay, this is it. And now all I'm gonna do is take this out and just dump them out in here. And then I'm just gonna keep it next to the entrance so they can go back inside. So I'm just gonna give them a little bit of smoke so I can close the box. You see how they're going inside, all of them? So looks like the queen is inside. So that's what you want to make sure. See if the bees actually finding their way in. And if they don't go inside of it, that means you lost the queen. But looks like they're going in, no problem. Awesome. To the next one. All these bees and put a second hot dog right in there. Then a hot dog buns. We're just gonna put them inside in here. There is already a queen. One.